Hi friends, in this small video we're going to be showing you how to replace the LCD of the Sony Vaio EH, EB and the overall E series of the laptop that Sony Vaio has launched. Now these laptops are generally coming out with very brittle screens, which we had earlier also notified, but people have been taking a lot of these machines because of the low price. Now here's one machine which has got the screen entirely broken. So the first thing first that we will do here is to remove the battery. And then you have to flip the laptop. What you need to do here is you need to remove these screws that you can see here. These 4 screws you have to remove. You need to have a screwdriver set, something like this, and a screwdriver which has got some magnetic capacity to it. Now let's start removing the small little stickers which are basically rudders just stuck onto the screws inside. As we are removing it, you can observe there are these screws which are being seen. Straight away we have to remove the screw. Here it comes out. Number 1. Now we need to just remove the LCD is sandwiched between the outer panel and the inner panel, so we need to create some sort of separation between the two so that the panel can be seen. Both of them are sandwiched using the locking mechanism, which you need to unlock. So you can see it's starting to come out with a crackling sound because it's being locked. And that's it. The screen front panel comes up and you can see the LCD panel here. After removing the LCD panel, you need to remove these screws here. These small screws are holding the inner LCD onto the hinges of the laptop. Keep these small little screws on one side. One part of it is coming out now. I'll show it to you more. all the screws are coming out one by one. You can see the LCD just pops out. So now here we need to this is the LCD that comes in Indian laptops. As you can see, this is the LCD, LED to be very precise. This is the LED connector. It's been entirely very badly bruised. As you can see, the entire panel is being beaten the shit out of. So it's completely gone. So we need to replace it with another LED. You can use the same process for replacing the LED to your existing Sony Vaio laptop. Just take a LED which has got a connector on the rightmost side and replace it using this particular thing, the same method that I've shown to you. Thanks a lot, guys. Please do subscribe if you like this video. Do give your comments so that we can improve. Thanks a lot.